Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy channel. How to fix clock app not working in Windows. Are you facing issues with your clock app on Windows? Don't worry, we're here to help. In this video, we'll tackle the problem of the clock app not working in Windows and provide effective solutions to get it up and running again. Get ready to resolve the clock app not working issue in Windows and make the most out of your device's time features. So let's get started and fix clock app not working in Windows. But before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button for more troubleshooting videos. The first solution is to restart the computer. Restarting the computer is the initial step in fixing issues on your computer, as restarting not only refreshes the system, but also resets system settings and clears temporary data. It is a simple but effective solution for fixing the clock app not working in Windows. Click on the Windows or Start button, then click on the Power button. Now, select Restart. After the computer completely restarts, check if the clock app is not working is resolved. If not, move on to the next solution. The next solution is to run SFC scan. SFC, or System File Checker, scans your computer for corrupt system files that may cause the clock app to malfunction. To do this, type the command prompt at the search bar located at the lower left. Then, click Run as Administrator from the drop-down menu. At the command prompt window, type the command SFC scan now and press Enter. Wait for SFC scan to complete. Next, restart the computer. Check if the clock app is not working is resolved. If not, move on to the next solution. The third solution is to run Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. Running Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter helps identify and resolve Microsoft Store-related issues and its applications. The troubleshooter will scan your computer for issues and apply appropriate fixes if any issues are found. To do this, press Windows or the Start button at the lower left. Then click Settings, an icon that looks like a gear. At Settings windows, click Update and Security. Click Troubleshoot at the left pane. Click Additional Troubleshooters. Scroll down and click Windows Store Apps. Click Run the Troubleshooter tab. Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter will now search for problems. If problems are detected, it will show potential fixes. If there are no problems detected, close the troubleshooter window. Now check if the clock app not working is resolved. If not, move on to the next solution. Now for the next solution, the Reset or Repair Clock app. Resetting or repairing the clock app can help fix the clock app not working by clearing data, reinstalling necessary components, and restoring settings to default. The solution provides the app with a fresh start that could somehow resolve the problem. To do this, click on Start or Windows button, click Settings, an icon that looks like a gear. At Windows Settings, click Apps, then under the apps, click on Clock, then click on Advanced Options. Now scroll down and click the Reset tab. Wait for the reset process to finish. Now check if the clock app not working is resolved. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.